Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetradingsystems.com. I'm making this a small video about oil. So let's get started here. This is forget about the old charts and all that. I have a lot of things to do. Just wanted to show the current situation and then take it from there. This is the drop here. This is a monthly chart, by the way, and we drop, and you can see so many 1, 2, 3, 4 months in a row. We got rejected and going above this now, above this 76, 79. Okay, this is a monthly chart, by the way. So that means each candle represents the whole month. And what happened after the whole month? We are still holding above this. Now 76, 79 is right now the price is 77.52. You can see here 77.26. So we are bypassing this one as well. This one is gone, this one is gone, this one is gone. We're going to the upside to this 78.40, and after that you have this one and this one. 85.61 would be the next. Okay, so this is how it is, and the weekly chart looks like this. You can clearly see it is bouncing not only from this TL is supporting it, and then 76.79 is right there. 76.43 is already gone, right? So I just will not highlight this one. Let's bring it back to normal, and we are moving forward. So this one would be the next, I think, 85.01. How, when, time will tell. Daily chart, you can see here, nice and clean. It is, this is my website name, by the way, if you want to go and subscribe. So now you see this current candle is, powerfully bullish, and 76.79 is right there. So we are bypassing it. This one is gone, 76.05. We are above it, and we are now dealing with 77.76, little high here. 77.53 we are at right now, right? So 53 to 76. If we bypass this, then we go into 81.25, 80, 81.25, then 83.25, 23, and then finally we will be going to 85.01. Okay, and my 40-minute chart right now is very nice, giving me the entry. Actually, I took the entry on the other account, other computer already, which I will show you. This is my entry here, right? Powerful, beautiful. This indicates all the way down. Yellow line is above the black. Price is making lower, higher low, and red candle turning blue, and then the entry, right? So it is going to the upside now. 77.26 is gone. We are at 77.54, and we're gonna be going to the upside. Next level would be 78.40. It's right there. I forgot to type. We're probably here. So here we go. The numbers are sometimes left behind, so gotta bring it forward here. That's it. Okay. Okay, so this is my website. Just in case if you want to go and sign up, I just made a little video about, well, forget it. I'm gonna make a video about gold as well. Very interesting, right? Just let me show you the one of the gold chart here, which I'm looking at is this. So, oh, not this actually. This is, wave 4, wave 5 going, but this is the one right here. So we are bouncing. My target was this for several weeks. I made a chart and I made a video saying that we're going to be coming down to 1802 and bounce. So that's exactly what happened. Next video, I'll make about the gold and show monthly, weekly, all the charts and explain what happened. But gold entry is also there. I made the gold entry as well. So those two trades, I'll show them tomorrow. But yeah, this is basically I was showing you the gold, oil chart, right? So this is oil, nice and clean, beautiful entry coming up, and it's already came and moving forward, right? So you still have a chance. This is from the 40-minute chart, so you can make the entry down the road from 20-minute and move on, right? We have a lot to go to the upside. So this is it for now. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, and click on the bell icon so that you can get my video on time. If you don't get my video on time, then the entry like this will just go away. So as soon as I upload the video, you get it, and then you take action on that. Okay. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the week. Trading week, that is. Stop trading. No, stop recording, buddy.